Alright, so we're on the gigantic machine. I can barely get anything in here. So let's see if we can do this. We got a couple minis here, 4 of them, which are $10. So, holy cow, here we go. If I hit the minor for 50 and another mini, alright, it's a $5 bet on 1 cent denomination. There's another mini. Nothing like this on high stakes. Pretty good. Jesus, the machine is huge. Another 15. Oh my gosh, Corey, look at. Let's see what else I can get. I know, let's see. I've got 14 collected. Let's see what I can do here. All right, last one. That's all right. Let's see what we won. That's pretty good. A $5 bet. Lots of minis. All right, 190. It's pretty good. Holy cow. Great hit. Oh my gosh. Let's hit that. There we go. Oh my gosh. Hit the button. Okay, let's pause this. Well, that's not too bad. All right, perfect. All right, we're on Panda Magic with a 5 cent denomination on a 250 bet with the bonus. So let's see what we got here. Ooh, bonus in the bonus, darn it. Free trigger, yay, 3 more free games. Oh, 1 more. Let's see. Come on, you dirty panda. Nope. I only got 2 more. I'm only at 12.20. Oh, not very good. Oh well. 14.40. Ouch. Oh my God! Look at what the Slacker just hit here on a hand pay. Oh my God.
Let me take a photo.
I'm sitting here over here just playing mine, and I'm in a bonus, and then he comes over here, and then he hits this. Jeez. Crazy. Nice job.
Thank you, love.
Go ahead, hit it.
I will do. And the machine is locked.
Oh, slot attendant, there it is, 15. Nice. All right, well, we're going back over here on my measly 1 cent denomination on Panda Magic. Let's see if I can finish this out here. All right. Got 3 more. Here we go. Oh, I got a mini. That's for 10. And another $1.50. Nothing compared to that one over here. Oh, it's still going. Let's see if we can get any more. All right, still going. I got 2 more. Here we go. Oh, last one. All right, let's see what we got. It's not 1587.50. But I'll take it. Alright, the other slot crew is sitting here waiting for his hand pay, and now he's playing Golden Gong on a $5 bet on a 1-cent denom. Let's see what you get in bonus.
Pretty good.
It's not bad.
I've done worse.
31.80.
That's good.
Nice.
That's good, I think.
Those guys. There we go, 50. Last one. Whatever.
Good.
46. That's good.
Not so bad.
Yeah. All right,
We're
here we
hoping
go.
now.
Hand pay.
Thank you.
He's in a bonus, and here he is going to get a hand pay.
82 federal, 52 state, 11
Hi. Hey, welcome. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 20, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, here. Hold on. Here. Thank you. Yeah, of
Thank
course.
you.
Thank you.
All right, now we're on. Here we go.
Hold on. Let me put my ID away. Sorry, it's gonna take just a second.
That's fine.
Here. Put that in your pocket.
I will.
Thank you. She's like, do you have another hand pay? I'm like, well, we're trying. Rock.
$75 is $75.
Whatever. We'll take.
All right, here we go. The slide crew is on a 750 bet on a 10-cent denom on Autumn Moon. Here we go.
Let's see what happens. Normally I love that 750 or
That was very rude.
nothing lines up. I don't know.
Whatever. 36.60. All right, the other
Let's
slide
get another
crew got a on $2
Let's do
denom, $10 bet. This is
we
pretty
can
good
do
on a
one
bonus.
more
Come on.
jackpot. Let's see
Yes,
what
go
happens.
for it. Balls. Oh, that's good. All right.
Good enough.
$40. All right, another 48. Last one. Come on.
Oh, come
There we
on,
go.
balls. Oh,
Oh,
queens.
that's good. Look at that.
200 bucks.
Nice.
Yeah, good.
Good job.
Mm,
Sweet.
Thank you, love. We do our best.
All right, we got another bonus.
It's not great, but it's something.
Could be. Got a 50 in there. 10, 5, 5, 5, 5. So, whatever.
Okay, another 10.
10 bucks.
Another 50. I love this 1 cent $5 bet. I mean, I think I've won more majors on this than high bets. $5. Major's 976.
Well, that's good.
It'd be great to hit that. Another mini or 13,000. Let's go for that.
Got two more. All right, last one.
Oh, right.
There you go.
Not so terrible.
All right, we got on a 10-cent not $5 bet on Panda Magic. Here we go. $5. $10. Two more. Another 15. Three more spins. I got two more. One more. Not bad. 135. The other side, look at that. We're on $2 sorry, $3.
Yeah, $3 bet.
So those are $20 minis.
Yeah.
With $22.50, I can't double that. It's $45. Yeah, okay. Come on, one more. There we go.
All right, another 12 bucks.
There we go.
A little bit of something. Let's see if we can get that.
$6,
$9.
$3. There you go,
12.
Ooh, a minor.
100, of course, well deserved after I put all that into this. It should have, yeah.
I think you put 100 in.
I need about 5 more minors.
Oh my God,
yeah.
here we go.
That's
That's what
it.
we
We
need
can
right
do
here.
it.
Hold on. I know.
$3 bet. Come on, we can do this.
Last one.
Don't see nothing spinning.
All right, that's all right.
Good bonus. Good bonus.
There you go. There you go. All right, 245 and 248 to 260 all the way to the end.
Not bad.
Good job.
Good bonus, honey.
All right, we're back at it again. There's
So let
Corey.
me tell you that I never
Buy something
know.
now on a
That's right.
335. Can you multiply that in your head?
I cannot in my head.
That's 15, 15.
And I've taken off 2 socks.
Yeah, we'll just let it do the math. I'm not going to be that quick on it.
Yeah. Come on, let's have one mini, major, minor. Oh, creep.
We got.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what you got here.
Let's see what we have, love. A lot of something or a lot of nothing. Well, let's see what happens here on. I know we do. Not yet. And this has 8 games, which is a little bit exciting.
Oh, no. Two more.
That's all right. 36 bucks. 46.50. Not terrible.
Not much, but we'll do it on a 1 cent denom. $1.50 bet on Golden Century. There we go. Another $1.50. $3. 6. Another $7.50. Oh, there's a mini for $10. 2 more spins. There's another $3. 3 more spins. Oh, there's another mini for 10. 2 more chances. 2 more. You can see it. Come on. There we go. Last one. 3 chances to get it for $13,771. Here we go. All right. One more chance. Here we go. I'll take it.
I haven't had a great hit.
There's a bonus on Panty Magic.
Well, let's see what happens.
$1 denom, $5 bet. Let's see.
Oh!
Let's see. Hold on.
Growl.
$10 bet or no? That's
210.
That's
Yeah, good.
$200 right there.
I want the bonus of the bonus. Come on, chickens.
You want chickens?
Well, whatever.
I thought the roosters.
245.
Alright, there you go. 245, not bad.
Not bad. No, whatever. I'm thrilled.
Here's the bonus. We got 3 re-triggers here on Golden Century. Let's see if we can do it on a 5 cent denom on a 250 bet. Oh, trigger the trick, come on, come on. Oh, darn it. I know. Hold on 1 second. Nope. Got 6 more games here, let's see. I would love a re-trigger again, but it doesn't look like it's happening. We're only at 14.6 here. Oh, there we go, bonus of the bonus. Here we go. Oh, come on, one more. There we go. It's 250. Should be $5. 2 more free spins. Gotta get something else here. We got 1 more left. There we go. Should be $3. No. $7.50, sorry. 1 more. There we go. Should be $12.50. 2 more free spins. Last one. We'll take it. It's down to 34 bucks, so that's pretty good. Still in the bonus. Here we go.
Chenga!
9 of 12. What we got? Oh, a little wild there. We're up to 120. Orbs? No. Last one. How about wilds? Wilds all the way across. Nope. Well, that'll help actually. That's pretty good. There we go. How much is that for? 60 bucks. Not bad. It's pretty good. 180.60. Alright, so we're on the gigantic machine. I can barely get anything in here. So let's see if we can do this. We got a couple minis here. 4 of them. Which are 10 bucks. So, holy cow. Here we go. If I hit the minor for 50 and another mini. Alright. It's a $5 bet. On 1 cent denomination. There's another mini. Nothing like this on high stakes. Pretty good. Jesus. The machine is huge. Another 15. Oh my gosh, Corey, look at. Let's see what else I can get. I know, let's see. I've got 14 collected. Let's see what I can do here. All right, last one. That's all right. Let's see what we won. That's pretty good. A $5 bet. Lots of minis. All right, 190. It's pretty good. Holy cow. Great hit. Oh my gosh. Let's hit that. There we go. Oh my gosh. Hit the button. Okay, let's pause this.